Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a GMC Acadia side mirror. First, gather your essential tools like a trim removal tool, a T30 Torx bit, and a 10mm socket. You'll also need a new side mirror assembly. Always prioritize safety by wearing safety glasses and gloves throughout the process. Having the right tools makes this job much smoother and helps prevent damage to your vehicle. To begin, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting bolts and wiring. Start by carefully prying off the interior trim pieces and then the entire door panel. Use a trim removal tool to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the plastic clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connectors for the mirror and the door latch cable. Finally, locate and remove the three 10mm bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Now take your new side mirror assembly. Carefully feed its wiring harness through the opening in the door frame. Position the new mirror, aligning the mounting holes, and then hand tighten the three 10mm bolts. Once aligned, fully tighten them with your ratchet. Reconnect all the electrical connectors for the mirror and the door panel, ensuring they click securely into place. Don't forget to reattach the door latch cable. With the new mirror installed and wired, it's time to reassemble the door. Carefully line up the door panel and press it firmly to snap all the retainers back into place. Reinstall any T30 Torx screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Before fully buttoning everything up, test the new mirror's electronic functions, including power adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works correctly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Once confirmed, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.